Welcome to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum, dear diamonds. All of my students, I call them my students a diamond. So you are now my students. So you are also a diamond. Okay, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is very interesting. It is about public speaking. Public speaking is very necessary for all of us to know what is public speaking. Wherever you go in your life, wherever you go for apply a job, everything will be included in your public speaking. You should have a well confidence to express your views yourself, to persuade. You have the power, you should have the power to persuade anyone through your language is a very good tool through which you can express yourself. Let's suppose if you are standing quiet, you don't speak a single word, no one can judge you what type of person you are. When you speak, then they will judge you what type of person you are. Do you have the knowledge? Do you have some power to engage someone? Do you have the persuasive power to persuade someone through your language? So all these things are noticed when you speak. Through language, people judge your mentality. So here today's topic is very interesting. It is about public speaking. So stay connected with us. At the end of this video, you will learn a lot. Okay, let's begin our lecture. What is public speaking? First of all, we will take a look at the definition of the public speaking. Public speaking is an important skill in both education and business. Basically, public speaking refers to the process of delivering a speech in front of an audience. It has a long history. Now it is about its history, and was traditionally viewed as a part of art of persuasion. It probably started in ancient Egypt, but first written documents about public speaking go back to the Greeks and Romans. Today, public speaking has evolved considerably thanks to the introduction of technologies such as video conferencing, multimedia presentations, and other non-traditional forms. So you can see that how much important is public speaking. It has a long history, you have seen, and how much importance it has to promote your education, to promote your business. Public speaking plays an important role. So work on this, make your public speaking a strong part of your life and your personality, so you can express yourself very well in front of the audience. Okay, why you need public speaking skills? For example, you can take a look. You will probably need public speaking skills in different aspects of your life. In job interviews, to persuade employers to hire you means you should have the power, you should have some knowledge about this, so you can express your views, you can persuade your employees so they can hire you. Okay, in a political speech, if you want to become a politician, have you seen politicians have a strong power? They convey a message, and the audience blindly follow them. In project reports at a meeting, okay, when you attend a meeting, so in your reports you should have a public speaking skills. In graduation ceremony speech, okay, in this speech you can also express your views in front of your class fellows, your audience. In a wedding toast, okay, in wedding toast you can also express yourself. Public speaking objectives. Public speaking aims at informing, persuading, and entertaining. Here are examples. So you can take a look at its example how you can persuade, inform, and entertain your audience. First of all, we will look at objective number one, describing a product, an invention, a place, and a people. Or people. Okay, you can express through public speaking these things. Telling a story about important events, historical events, natural disasters, their causes, effects, etc. You can also express these things through public speaking. Communicating information such as research findings, survey results, new products. You can also use here public speaking. Okay, persuading the audience, having a say in a debate, political campaigns, conferences, by providing to the point arguments. motivating people to act. So these are the things, these are the examples where you can express your thoughts through public speaking in front of the audience. If you can express yourself very well in front of the audience, then people will follow you. People will show you their obedience, their intellectual, that they will follow you, that you have a power to persuade them. In this way they will follow you. Okay, types of presentations. Here I have public speaking. You can say there are three types of public speaking: presentations, informative, persuasive, and entertaining. Okay, first of all, we will look at informative. Informative public speaking attempts to convey information to or clarify an idea. School presentations, science, technology presentations, business seminar. So let's suppose you want to do a work. If let's suppose you are a teacher and you are conveying your presentation in front of the students, so make sure your language should be simple, clear, and easy to understand for the students. In this way you will get a good feedback, and your informative presentation will become a good source for the students to learn things. Okay, persuasive. Persuasive public speaking aims at causing a change in the belief, attitude, or behavior of the audience. For example, in sales, debates, to a group of peers, political speeches. So these are the things. Less political. As I give you the example before, the politicians use a specific type of language through which people can believe, can trust over them blindly. Okay, entertaining. Entertaining public speaking includes storytelling or ceremonial speeches like those occurring during religious and wedding occasions. So these are the things. Let's suppose you are performing, you are in a function and you are performing something in the stage, on the stage. If you have this speaking skills, so you can express, you can engage your audience, you can make them happy. They will, your audience will not get bored. So this type of activity you can involve in your lectures, in your speeches, so your audience do not get bored. So this is all from my side for today's lecture. Hope you have learned a lot about the speaking skills. So speaking skills is very important for all of you. Thank you very much for listening me. Allah Hafiz.